Here's the new sweetie babies. Just born maybe a half hour ago. On their due date. Girl, sweetie. This is the little boy. The girl came out first. She's a strong one. He kind of had a hard time coming out, huh? But he's doing all right. That's a lot of work, huh, girl?